Welcome back to our YouTube channel, guys. My name's Ardil and I'm really proud to introduce another one of our videos. In today's video, I'm walking around an absolutely stunning Ferrari 488 Spyder that we've upgraded with a front and rear dash cam solution that also records while the vehicle is parked as well. So if you're new to our channel, haven't seen us before, hit that subscribe button below. Otherwise, let's go. The customer has travelled all the way from Brighton to us to have the installation carried out. In terms of the solution that we've added, is something called a Thinkware U1000 front and rear dash cam solution that not only protects the vehicle while driving, but also while the vehicle is parked. Customer have travelled over to us mostly because of another product we've installed, and there'll be a full separate video on the Target Blue Eye install, fully integrated into the mirror on this system, so there'll be a full video on that later on. However, there is this solution today. So the U1000 dash cam is a 4K image quality front dash camera, then we've got a 1080p rear dash camera. The main thing we're talking about today is parking mode, but also the rear dash camera installation. What's actually involved in doing a system like this? So everything is installed to the highest possible standards behind the scenes. We've got the iVolt battery, which is actually hidden away underneath the dashboard. That allows for parking mode recording. In essence, there's zero draw on the vehicle's battery at any given time. As you turn on your ignition or driving your vehicle, you drive for around about half an hour and you get about 16 hours on the other side of parking mode recording. Once that battery is depleted, there is zero draw on the vehicle's battery and it stops recording. However, it's plenty enough time for supermarket or even overnight and things like that. It's a very, very nice solution. Another thing that's very important is the installation of the rear dash cam that we've done today. So this is a really nice solution. So as you can see here, we've got the actual rear dash cam just positioned here. Plus we've got a little wedge mounted in a Milano finish as well. Reason why we've had to build a wedge shape here is because this has a little bit of an angle to it. We needed to get the view and visibility of, obviously that's quite a long way. In essence, it's kind of like a bit of a bonnet as such. You've got quite a lot of metal work there that the camera has to see over. So we've leveled that off using that wedge. However, there's zero damage to the actual factory Ferrari material here. It's actually bolted underneath, and then the actual dash camera is screwed down to our new panel. So this is actually, there's no damage done to the actual material here, so it can be fully removed, which is really nice. Whenever we do any system, whenever we're installing anything to a vehicle, we always try to do it in such a way that can be fully removed without any damage to the actual vehicle itself, and that's why we've done exactly this. Yes, it takes a bit longer to do on the install, however, it's well worth it. So the dashcam basically comes with an app which is called Thinkware Cloud. You can log in directly on there, change settings, view all your footage, plus it comes with a 64 or 32 gig SD card depending on how we spec it. However, it's a really, really nice solution. It's easy to use, fit and forget, and then what you've actually got is actually the system itself is really, really easy to use. You log in, creates a little Wi-Fi hotspot in the vehicle, you can log in, change all those settings, parameters, plus you've actually got speed camera detection on there as well, which is a really nice solution. I've actually got this system installed in my car currently. It's really, really nice, and every single system we offer is tried and tested. So if you are based further afield, drop us a message on any of our social media platforms. However, if you do want to come by and see us, we can go through all of the options with you. Feel free to come by, give us a call, let us know you're coming by. We'll spare some time for you and we'll go through every single option available for your vehicle, and this highlighting these videos to you guys to show you the options available and what we can do, how we can do these things. So thank you very much for watching, guys. Please don't forget, we have got the 10K giveaway live already on our YouTube channel, so make sure you go check that out so you don't miss out on the awesome prizes of the PlayStation 5 and the Audison Prima amplifier that is up for grabs. So thank you very much for watching, guys. We look forward to seeing you soon. Otherwise, we're done.